How to solve OTG not detected on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can fix if OTG or on the go connection feature not working in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up settings in your device. Once you're here, first of all, we have to enable the developer option. So in order to set up developer option, scroll all the way down and tap on about phone. Here tap on the version and then go to the viewed number. So under the viewed number, you have to keep on tapping for at least 7 times until you have a message popped up in your interface. Now you are a developer. Here I have already enabled the developer option. Once you have done that, you may be prompted to enter the password or PIN of your device in order to enable the developer option. Once you have completed that, now tap on the search bar under the settings and search for developer options. Tap on it. And under developer option, scroll down and navigate toward networking section. So under the networking, scroll a bit and there you will find an option as default USB configuration. Tap on it. Here, make sure you have chosen the file transfer. And then your problem will be solved. If this still does not help you, then what you have to do is you have to go back and under networking there, and here what you have to do is scroll up a bit, and under debugging there is a USB debugging option where you have to toggle these on. So if it is toggled up, make sure to toggle it on. So these are two methods that will help you solve if the OTG is not detected in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.